I got this coat from Target on Black Friday. I had been eyeing it for a while for my daughter, and on Black Friday, Target had their apparel 40% off. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up for her. Then next I got this corner rounder. I had been eyeing it for a while, and they had a Black Friday sale on it. So I picked it up. Let's see how it works. Oh, nice. It's kind of a nice small rounded corner. Then you got this one. And then you got this one. That is so nice. So I wanted it for when I'm journaling. Sometimes when I add a page or add an element to one of the pages and the pages are rounded, I'm using my scissors to round it, but this would be a lot quicker and look a lot cleaner. So I'm glad I picked this one up. That was a good purchase. Then I went to Michael's, and their Black Friday sale on yarn was buy two, get one free. So I went ahead and picked these colors up. I have some Christmas crochet videos I'm thinking of putting out for you guys. So I went ahead and bought these colors just because they are the Christmas colors I enjoy, and I just thought this will be good for the videos. Another Black Friday sale that I shopped was the Archer in Olive, and it was such a good deal. Actually just took some notes real quick to see how much everything cost, and I ended up saving $138.11. I paid $61.89 for everything here, which originally would have cost me $200. So very exciting. I'll go ahead and show you what I picked up. First I got the calligraph and the acrylograph pins for the Retro Road Trip. And I've never used these before, so I'm excited to see what they're like. But these are the shades they are, and they look really pretty. And this is just kind of, these colors just match my taste and my palette, like what I really like to use. And so that set that I just showed you retails for $21, and I got it for $5.25 on Black Friday. And then the same colors are in this other pin set. And this pin set originally retailed for $19, and I got it for $9.50. So I knew what these were. I had some mystery products, but these ones I picked out. This one I picked out. This is the Charming Picnic Gift Box, which originally retailed for $80, and I got it for $26.40. And the box is cute. I'm already excited about this, that I can use this for gifting and packaging things. Gather your blanket and pack your favorite lunch. Bring your supplies to a special spot that brings you happiness as we enjoy a charming picnic. Oh my goodness! This is a lot. How exciting. Alright, we will start with this box. It says handcrafted journals and planners on the back. Okay, it's a notebook. Their packaging is so cute, and their boxes are so good. Oh, I love this. And it's got a little charm on their little bookmark. But this is the cover, and then it's a dot grid. And then it's got a pin loop in that pocket. That is a nice notebook. I am excited about that. Then it says set of 2 storage crates. Just see what that is. No, I don't want to destroy the box, but it won't open. There we go. Okay. So they fit together like that. That's cute. I'm guessing it's just for, obviously, storage, for storing things. Clever. And this is the pin set that comes with it, the colors for Charming Picnic. I really like those colors. Those will be fun to use. And here it says set of wooden icon stamps. Whoa, look at this box. That is so pretty. Oh, cool. And so it's got these cute little prints that are all picnic themed. And it also comes with an ink pad. How cool. Alright, and it's not done. Alright, this next box says it is a set of die-cut stickers. Tiny Picnic in a box. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is cute. Look at that little basket. And then inside, it's in this like gingham, lightly gingham paper. I wrapped these stickers. Oh, they are so cute. The next thing included in this box is solar paper, and it says, but it's kind of already been opened, but that's okay. It says, please do not open until you're ready to use. Light will expose the paper and cause it not to work properly. So it's this paper that you can put objects on, like leaves and stuff, and put it in the sun, and it will cause a really cool print on the paper. And that is a really cute, cool idea. I think my daughter would really like to try this out, so I think I will save this to do with her, and that will be a lot of fun. Alright, and last in the kit, or in the gift box, is this really beautiful notebook. And it's like got embroidery on the front. It's a really pretty yellow. I do really like this yellow. Like a nice mustard. And there's that. And then it's a nice dot grid. And in the back, you got the pocket. With a nice pen holder and the 2 ribbon bookmarks. The next thing I purchased was an individual mystery pin bundle, a 5-pack, and I bought it for $9. And these are the acrylographs, which a pack of 5 would retail for $19. So, but I got them in, can you read the colors? I'm not quite sure how this works. I don't know how you tell what color they are, but I'll just hold them up so you can see them. And the last thing I purchased was a Black Friday mystery doorbuster, and I paid $13 for that, and it came with these 3 items. The first one which is so cute. It comes in a little box, says a little extra to nibble on. So I don't know if this was actually part of that or just something they threw in, but inside is washi tape, a set of 4, and this usually retails for $15. But here are the different styles. And I love washi, so that was exciting to get. And then I also got a set of stickers, which the stickers retail for $11. But these are just some nice simple prints that can go with anything. And then the last thing that came with it is this notebook, and it looks like it's an A5 size to me. I was trying to figure out how much it would retail for, and another A5 that I found was retailing for $35. So that's the value I assigned to this one. But it's a really pretty, like, lime green. I don't know if this is one that I would typically buy. It's got a little bit of a mark right there, but that doesn't bother me. I don't know if this is a color I'd usually buy, but I like it. And it's got dot grid. So there you have it. That is what I got from the Archer and Olive Black Friday sale. And it was a $200 in value, and I spent $61.89. So I would say pretty good deal. My last Black Friday purchase just came today. I ordered from Cultivate What Matters a girl's goal planner for my daughter. This retails for $30 on their site, and I saw on the Daily Grace Company that it retailed for $32. But I paid $18 for it, and currently it's on sale on Cultivate What Matters website for $25. So, and then as a gift, they sent these magnetic bookmarks, which on the Daily Grace Company were retailing for $5. So those are cute, and I thought that was a really good deal. And I just wanted to get my daughter something to kind of work on some goal setting and just planning. And so I thought this might be fun for her. It's got cute stickers. This is my first time flipping through it, so very cute. Aw, that'll be, I think pages like this are fun for her to fill out and look back on later. I think that's fun. And here's a section for goal setting. And then here's the first month. It's a very big planner. It's very thick. I like that it's got some coloring sheets in it. Okay, and then it's by the week. Very cool. And I like that she can kind of record her feelings. And then there's stuff about being a helper at home. That's nice. Like a little review every now and then. Okay. And then we have the next month. And then this time it has a different focus. I am unique midway through. And you can start it at any month that you want to because it's not labeled. So for every month, it's got that stuff. And then there's the last month. And it ends with, you did it, hooray! Very cool, in a pocket. So that was what I got for Black Friday this year. Just a couple of things I saw and I thought were really good deals and wanted to pick up. Had my eye on them anyway and decided to go ahead and buy them while they were on sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.